Welcome to anna-THEA's Body Wisdom. I just finished my teaching my module, Manifesting More Pleasure, and we did an exercise of being instead of doing. Our world is all about doing, getting things done, making things happen, focused energy. And I want to remind you to balance all of that doing with being. Just being. When was the last time you took time to just relax and let go and just be with your body? Develop your feline nature to just relax and be in the present moment. See if you can take 10 minutes today. 3 minutes if you can't do the 10. Take a few minutes and find your feline nature. Namaste.